Hi grade 2s, how are you today? This is another video. This one is science, one of our favorite subjects, especially mine. If we were in the classroom together, we'd be maybe eating some popcorn, having some chocolate all over our fingers. Maybe we could make some popsicles, but we are so far away and unfortunately we can't do that, but we're going to make the best of it. I hope you are safe at home. I hope you are happy, healthy, having fun, learning. And this video is going to be about our science booklet. In science, we are learning all about light. So what is light? Can you tell me? Louder, I can't hear you. Yeah, so there's different kinds of light. There's light up on our ceiling. If you look up, there's probably a light above you. There's light outside from the sun. There's light when you light a candle. This is a candle, but how am I going to light a candle? I need some sort of fire. So I have a little flame here, and then once I add some fire to it, I have light. So, and thank you for whoever bought this for me. Some candles don't need any fire. They have batteries. So if I just turn the battery on, then there's a light inside. So this is a candle that doesn't need any fire. We can also get light from our cell phones. So I can use my cell phone and I can make a torch. So here's a light. So if I need to see in the dark, I can just use my cell phone. There's lots of other kinds of light or sources of light all around us. So if you look around your house, I'm sure you can find many different sources of light. So this video is all about light and all about your science booklet for week 1. Are you ready? Let's go! Hello everyone! Say hello to Mr. Bean. Hi grade 2s. How is everyone feeling today? Are you feeling sick? Are you feeling excited? Are you good or great, which is very good? How about hungry? Who's hungry? I'm feeling very hungry. I need to eat. What about angry? Who's angry? And who feels sad? I feel a little sad sometimes because I miss seeing you guys at school and I wish I could be in the classroom with you. So today we're doing science. Are you guys ready for science? Are you ready? Okay, you should take out your science booklets for week 1. So grade 2 science, week 1. And have that ready with you so that we can start. Okay, let's go. Okay, today we're going to be talking about light and dark. This is light and this is dark. So when the lights are on, you can see, and when the lights are off, you can't see anything, and we say it is dark. Okay, the topic in your textbook is called Light and Dark, Day and Night. Today, we're just going to focus on light and dark. So what exactly are light and darkness? Light. This is light. Light is a form of energy. Light makes things visible. Without light, we cannot see anything. So if there were no lights in the whole world, we wouldn't be able to see each other, and we wouldn't be able to see anything in the world. The absence of light is known as darkness. When there is no light at all, we call this darkness. So light can come from many different sources, such as the sun. We get light from the sun. If you look outside, it might be a sunny day where you are. Fireflies have their own light. Torches. We usually use torches at night when we are going camping, or maybe we are playing games at home. And spotlights. A spotlight is a big light that shines on you when you're on the stage, maybe when you're singing or reading a poem or having an oral, then you have the spotlight on you. So these are just a few sources of light. Can you name 3 more sources of light? So you can look around your house and ask mom and dad to help you, and I'm sure you can find any 3 more sources of light. Where do we get light from? Okay, all the different sources of light, grade 2s, can be separated into 2 categories. Some sources of light are known as natural light. Natural light means it comes from nature. We just look outside or look around us and we find the light already there. For example, the other kinds of light are artificial light. These kinds of light are man-made. People make this kind of light. So natural light would be something like the sun. The sun is natural. It's already there. We look outside and the sun is there. People did not make the sun. The sun is a natural source of light. Another natural source of light is a volcano. A volcano comes from nature. And if you look at the lava in the volcano, it's very bright and it's like a light. Artificial light or man-made light is things that people make, like candles. A candle is made from wax and a wick. So people make candles and then we light them and then that gives us light. Another source of light is a light bulb. We all know that electricity is such an important thing and we get light from electricity and from light bulbs. I'm sure you have many of these in your house. Then we get some objects like mirrors. Mirrors are very shiny and they look like they give off light, but they do not. They just appear very bright because light from another source, something else, bounces off their surfaces and reaches our eyes. So when there's a torch or the sun or something that has light, it bounces onto the mirror and then hits our eyes, and then we can see the mirror. This is known as reflection. Another example is when light from the sun bounces off of the flower and into our eyes, and then our brain tells us that this is a flower. But if the sun was not there, we wouldn't see the flower at all. It would be darkness. and we wouldn't know that this is a flower because there would be no light shining on it. So, for more information on reflection, I have found a video for you that helps explain it better. And you can go to this website or this YouTube channel, and then you can watch this video and you can get more information about reflection and how light bounces off of things, and that's how we are able to see them. So check out this video. Okay, the next page of your booklet has a little activity for you to do. In this activity, you should take these sources of light and put them into the correct category. Are they natural? Do we find them in nature? Or are they artificial, man-made? Did people create them to give us light? So for example, let's take the sun. Do you think the sun is a natural source of light or an artificial source of light? I think the sun is natural. The sun is already there. What about a TV? Is a TV natural? Is it already there? Or did man make TVs which provide light? Yep, man made TVs. People made TVs, and TVs use electricity and they give off light. So you can turn the lights off, and if you put the TV on, there will be light inside the room, yeah? Okay, and then you're going to take all the other pictures, all the other sources of light, and put them in the correct category. You can draw a picture if you want, or you can just write the name, or you could do both, anything that you choose. Okay, and lastly, grade 2s, there's some questions you should answer about everything that we just talked about. So I'm going to read the questions for you, and then you're going to write a short answer for me. Number 1, what is light? Number 2, light comes from many different sources. Yes, true, or no, false. Number 3, we can separate light sources into 2 categories. What are those categories? What are the names of the 2 categories that we can separate light into? Number 4, the sun is an example of a man-made source of light. Is that true? Yes. Or is that false? No. Number 5, the stars are an example of natural sources of light. Is that true? Yes. Or is that false? No. Number 6, when light bounces off mirrors and other shiny surfaces, this is known as what? What is the word for when light bounces off objects and reaches our eyes? And number 7, something is the absence of light. When there is no light, we say there is. I think you guys know the answers. So you can read these questions again and you will find all the answers in your booklet. Okay. These are some videos I found for you guys that are going to help you understand light better with lots of pictures, and I really, really like these videos, so you should check them out. This is the name of the video, and this is the YouTube link, and this is the video that you're going to watch. And then this is the second video, this is the name, this is the link, and this is the video that you are going to watch for me. Okay, grade 2s, that's it. So check out these videos, and I hope you understood everything that you need to understand about light. And I'm gonna turn the lights off now. So goodbye. I miss you, I love you, and I will see you in the next video.
It's time to go